Hello friends, as the title of this video you guys know is what after 12 and how to prepare for civil services. Our focus in this particular video is for all the undergrad students who have just completed their 12th standard. The focus is that how we are supposed to create a structure where we can try our best to plan and execute for our long-term career goals. Primary is true for everyone. You have to complete your graduation. But the secondary is always a vision. A human has to have a vision, an aspiration. In this case, all you youngsters who are 17, 18 years of age and are trying to find the best things of your life, and most of you guys, as the title suggests, for civil services. In this case, in today's video, our focus is to try to understand how this can be made possible. So understand this. Say we take on an average any degree college is of say for 3 years. Okay, that means you have these 3 years as your student life. For some it is 4 years, for some it is maybe 4.5 to 5 years. Alright, these are all your student life. There's a saying, okay, your student life are the best time where none of your parents are pestering you to earn as well. That means even if you have left your house by saying going to college, no one will question you. All the family holidays are planned around your college timings, your college examinations, and etc. So priority is this. Now everyone knows, okay, if I am in a degree college, maybe my degree college is in the early morning, say 7 to 11, alright, and rest of my day is free. For some obviously technical educations like STEM educations, you are occupied from morning 10 to 5, but I am sure you have holidays on weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and you can still make time. Alright, how to use the remaining day of your time, say after 11 or 12 o'clock, this time has to be invested in yourself. Remember a very different analogy I am putting over here, an economic analogy where someone says, where if I am not wrong, Warren Buffett says that he started investing at the age of 12. Alright, I might be wrong the age as well, but the idea is he started early, those drips started coming in early and they flowered maybe when he matured around 30. Similarly, your college life, your 3 years, your 4 years of education are these small drops, that you are supposed to collect steadily, constantly, so that when you complete your graduation, it becomes a big lake and you are ready to hit for your aspirations. What kind of opportunities do we have? One is, yes, civil services at center, IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS officers and alike positions. Second is at state services, MPSC, alright, where you have positions like Deputy Collector, Tahsildar, Naib Tahsildar, etc. Then again at center you have something called as Staff Selection Commission, okay, SSC, CGL after graduation, where one of the DRS positions is of Income Tax Officer. There are many other positions like Intelligence Bureau, CBI, etc. But the DRS position is IT. Alright. Similarly, at the central level, again, the major one more government institution is banking. Along with it, obviously, you have autonomous institutions like RBI, alright, railways, which conduct entrance examinations based on your graduations. So the precursor is to complete your graduation to appear for these examinations. But the precursor is, according to our analysis, you should start preparing for it immediately after your 12th standard. And this has to be a focus of every student who wants to achieve something. Say even without say civil services, someone says he or she wants to give an MBA entrance examinations and aspires to go to a college like IIM, they have to begin their preparations immediately after your 12th standard. Alright? Similarly is for civil services. And hence, this program that we have created, very popularly the common term is foundation course, where everyone calls it is. As the term goes, it lays the foundation towards your different career choices, be it UPSC, MPSC, banking, SSC, or even say MBA. But what we like to call it is SMILE, a course where you feel happy, alright, along with you prepare for complete your college and prepare for your career. It should not be a stressful situation. Already we are living a stressful world. It should be a stressless situation. For that, everyone has to have a clear-cut roadmap in front of your eyes. And our plan is that roadmap. Alright? What say we analyzed over a period of years. We have been teaching since around 6 to 7 years. Over a period of years, our understanding comes to this, that most of the students, most of the graduation time in colleges ends after 11 or 12 o'clock. You have rest of the day to prepare and execute. Chalo, wo bhi jaane do. To come to a common point, all the students, be it technical, STEM education or non-STEM education, you have Saturdays and Sundays available. How to invest those in yourself? At this stage, remember the analogy I gave you, someone like Warren Buffett? Over here, I am talking about investment in education, investment in yourself. Alright, be it a girl or a guy, you have to invest in yourself, and it has to be a structured investment. It cannot be something like this कि चलो मैंने decide कर लिया है, आज मैंने decide कर लिया मैं IAS बनेगा, Daddy, I will become an IAS. Nothing like that is going to happen. You have to plan. You have to analyze what these positions are, what kind of efforts you are supposed to put in to reach those epitomes, alright, or to bring fruit to your dreams. This particular plan that we have created works only on Saturdays and Sundays. This plan is an analysis of all these examinations, UPSC, MPSC, SSC, or banking, as well as MBA examinations. Okay, where we have found a common point in all these examinations. What is that? General knowledge, which can, if we extend that thought, also lies to your basic simple aptitude. If you observe the syllabus of all these examinations, what they say is your, say, humanities up till standard 12. Okay? Humanities as in your history, geography, civics, etc. up till standard 12. Your science, general science, if you see the syllabus, is up till standard 12. If you see the aptitude, or more commonly called as CSAT, alright, civil services aptitude test. In MBA examination, it is nothing but aptitude, quants, LR, reasoning, quants, LR, language. Is what the level is up till standard 12. So you have studied this. Now how to revise everything for coming 3 years or 4 years is of very prime importance. Okay, and how to revise the same things in perspective of the examination which we want to hit is also very important. This plan exactly talks about that. Okay, your Saturdays and Sundays have been divided into a common syllabus which has been designed, which comprises of all these examinations. So it is seldom happens by the third year of your college or the final year of your graduation, a candidate, it is very likely to happen, a candidate can say, I don't want to give civil services, I maybe want to pursue MBA, which is very fine, nothing wrong in that. Or someone who was thinking about pursuing MBA, but start thinking about going for civil services. Nothing wrong in that. As we progress, as the surrounding around us discusses, we also align our thought and design our ambition along with it. Alright, so hence this particular syllabus that we have designed comprises preparations for all these examinations. A common ground has been created and it will be executed on your weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays, where a nominal or comprehensive 3-year program has been designed, where every topic of these examinations will be completed. Okay, be it your general science or how it has to be put into structure for someone is giving UPSC, how your humanities subjects, history, geography, polity, etc. is to be put in. Someone who is aspiring for banking, how your aptitude subjects are to be put in, have been put into this structure. Alright, every Saturday and Sunday you will have sessions. We have 52 weeks in 1 year. In 3 years, you do the maths. The idea is for you to be prepared immediately in your final year to give these examinations and begin with your career. And this particular study plan focuses on that. The detailed Excel sheet is available to you guys to refer in the link given below. Alright, but I will just give you an overview of it. The overview is very simple. The balance of how your subjects have to be completed. We have always believed in providing a timetable to every student. Because, see, we are humans and we are also to earn. But even if we earn, we know where to fall back on, which is our timetable. This is of prime importance for every student to have. Okay? If this is available, you know what you are supposed to study. Okay? The second aspect is from what kind of sources you are supposed to study. Okay, for every possible examinations we have created that list also, and it will be provided to you guys in the link given below. These sources, as civil services, everyone knows NCERT textbooks are the prime. So these and some other sources are also mentioned below. Same is for your SSC examination, same is for your IBPS examinations. Our timetable, coming back to our timetable, focus is you will have at least 1.5 hours of sessions or 3 hours of session maximum on every day. It will be on a Saturday as well as on a Sunday, so that you complete your syllabus, okay, which is of primary importance for every candidate to appear for any examinations. Once the syllabus is complete, you get that confidence that I have studied something. Have you seen right outside the examination hall when some students are very fidgety, asking you each other, have you read this part? Was this part of syllabus? And their confidence is already down before going inside the examination hall, and you know what happens further. So every student should know what exactly the syllabus is, and every student should complete their syllabus. Okay? That is our win-win situation. That gives us immense competition. The second part is analyze your question papers, how to study them. The entire course is designed in such a way that it is not supposed to discuss any vague things. We are not going to discuss, we don't want to do masters in any particular subject. We want to excel in that particular subject for these examinations. So focus area comes from analysis of question papers, and that is what we are supposed to do and we will provide. The third aspect is a constant guidance required. Every candidate, okay, needs a guide in their life. Guide for every possible thing. I am sure a holistic guide in your character building is obviously everyone's parents. But in their academic life, in their someone who is sports life, you need a guide, you need a teacher to take you to the end. Similarly, for your career, you need a guide. Alright? And that guide will always be with you to take you ahead at each and every possible step okay, in your academic life, so that you achieve your pinnacle. And that guide is, we think we can live up to that expectations of yours. So similarly, as I have told you guys before as well, we are beginning with this particular course specially for you guys on 1st of July 2020. Details of that particular course will be provided to you as time goes ahead. Most of the things will be provided to you in the link in the descriptions below. Alright, and some more technical details will be provided to you future as the time goes ahead. There will be a number provided to you in the description below as well, where you can call and ask any questions if you want. Okay, if you are shy enough to call, then definitely drop a WhatsApp message. If not that, you can drop a message in the comment section below, and I will do my best to reply you guys immediately within 24 hours. Alright, with this hope, I think you guys have a clearer idea how we are supposed to go ahead. Any queries, feel free to get in touch. If you like our exercise, what we are doing, if you are new to this particular YouTube channel, as the exercise goes, please subscribe to this particular channel, and definitely if a parent is watching this video, share with the students which you think are aspirational enough and motivated enough to do something in their life. Thank you.